We're Alexi.
221 on YouTube. My name's
AKA.
AKA Alexis.
And Christy.
And we're gonna do a cover of "It Will Rain" by Bruno Mars.
By Bruno Mars.
Okay.
If you ever leave me, baby, leave some morphine at my door. 'Cause it'll take a whole lot of medication to realize what we used to have, we don't have it anymore. There's no religion that can save you. No matter how my knees are on the floor. Oh, so keep in mind all the sacrifices I'm making to keep you by my side, to keep me from walking out the door. 'Cause there'll be no sunlight if I lose you, baby. There'll be no clear skies if I lose you, baby. It's just like the clouds, my eyes will do the same if you walk away. Every day it'll rain, I'll never be your mother's favorite. Your daddy can't even look me in the eyes. Ooh, if I was in their shoes, I'd be doing the same thing. Saying, there goes my little girl, walking with some troublesome guy. But they're just afraid